Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you guys how to find NOC code based on your job responsibilities to apply for Express Entry and other Canadian immigration programs. So hit the bell icon to subscribe and let's get started. Open your browser and either use the direct link in video description to navigate to NOC website, or you can go to Google search and search for NOC code. As you can see, on this website, the first section explains different tier categories with some examples of jobs for each category. We will scroll down to the section Find your job title, code and tier. Now you can type your job title in the filter items box to look for your NOC code. Let's search for mechanical engineer. As I'm typing, you can see that it is already filtering out jobs based on what I type. Now, as you can see, it has given us the NOC code for mechanical engineers, which is 21301. However, you will always want to make sure that you're using the correct NOC code based on your previous job responsibilities, as sometimes there can be two similar titles with two different NOC codes. As you can see on screen with mechanical engineers and mechanical engineer technologists. So, to be sure, we can look at the main duties provided on the NOC website. Now we are on the NOC's official website and we have the option to either search by the NOC code we found previously, or we can again enter our title. So let's search by job title. Now click on the job title you are interested in, and as you can see, we land on a dedicated page explaining mechanical engineer's title in depth. You can see some examples of accepted job titles under this NOC code, such as automotive engineer, mechanical design engineer, etc. If we scroll down, we see the main duties section, providing in detail the expected duties performed by a candidate under this NOC code. You should ensure that your experience letter covers these duties to be accepted. Below this, we have the employment requirements section, providing the requirements to be fulfilled by any candidate using the NOC code. For example, a mechanical engineer will need to have a bachelor's degree at minimum. Then you see some additional information on expected duties of a mechanical engineer. And also, there's some information on job titles that are excluded from this NOC code, for example, engineering managers. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.